Right, let's be honest here. When you're out on a bike ride, your phone is pretty much your lifeline. Navigation, emergency calls, even music, it's all in there. But let's face it, trying to keep your phone safe, accessible, and still look cool, that's where things start getting a bit tricky. What is that?
What the hell is even that?
So, what if I told you there's a product that's not just a phone holder, it's a phone holder, a sunglasses holder, a spare battery holder for your action camera, and just a super handy, stylish little pouch for all the stuff you need on a ride? Well, that is exactly what the Trip Machine Navigator is. And in this video, I'm going to take a deep dive into why this thing isn't just a great way to keep your phone on your bike, but actually a game changer for every rider out there. Stick around, I'll cover everything from how it stays put on your bike, to how it holds all your essentials, and of course how good it looks on something as gorgeous as this Interceptor. Might be being a little bit biased there. Fitment. Now, here's the technical bit. This is where most people run into trouble, installing high-tech gadgets on their bikes. You need tools, precision, and sometimes a degree in engineering. And there we go, it's that easy. If you can press a button on a microwave, you can definitely fit one of these. No screws, no bolts, no hassle. Just 6 super strong magnets. These aren't your average fridge magnets. Simple, easy, and solid. And you know what? Once it's on, it's going nowhere. I took this thing for a ride, hit some rough roads, sharp bends, and no wobbling, no slipping. It's on there like it's part of the bike. First thing you'll notice is how good it looks on the Interceptor. It fits the vibe perfectly. This modern retro design, combined with the rugged canvas and leather of the Navigator, just works so well together. Now let's talk functionality. If you wear touchscreen gloves or smart gloves, the clear protective screen allows you to use your phone without removing it from the Navigator. This is great when on the move. I really don't recommend you use your phone whilst riding though. And here's the clever part. When you're off the bike, you don't have to leave the Navigator behind. You can wear it as a fanny pack, fanny, belt pouch, or even sling it over your chest. It's versatile, looks cool, and keeps your phone within easy reach. And let's be honest, you're not going to look out of place wearing it on your next coffee stop. It's stylish and practical in one neat package. The Navigator has plenty of space for the essentials: house keys, wallet, spare batteries, charging cables, you name it. There's even room for an action camera, so you can capture a ride without worrying about where to stash it when not riding. So what are the materials like? They are top notch. Heavy duty canvas and premium leather. It's built to last, no flimsy stuff here. This is a solid, road-ready companion for your bike, and it'll take whatever you throw at it. And when the weather decides to be a bit unpredictable, the Navigator's got a waterproof YKK zipper, so your phone stays dry no matter what's coming down from the sky. Which is handy for me, as I live in England.
Rain, rain, rain. Us Brits endure it on 199 days of every year.
And did I mention the colours? Because if you're wondering, the Navigator comes in a great range of styles to match your vibe. Whether you're into the classic brown and tobacco, sleek all black, rugged green and tobacco, or a fresh blue and tan combo, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk value for a second. At £46, you're not just paying for a phone holder, you're getting a stylish, multifunctional pouch that keeps your gear organised, safe and easily accessible. For that price, considering all the versatility and the build quality, it's a solid investment. You can pick one up directly from Trip Machine, and they offer worldwide delivery. I'll put a link for them in the description below. I've only rode the bike once with this thing fitted, and I can safely say it's one of the best little upgrades I've added to my bike. Whether you're just out for a ride or need to carry your essentials in style, this thing's got your back. So there you have it, Trip Machine Navigator. Not just a phone holder, but a versatile, stylish and practical bit of kit that makes your ride that much better. Shout out to Trip Machine for sending out the Navigator for me to make some content with. They've also gifted me another amazing product, but I'll save that for the next one. For me, the best part about the Navigator is when you're not using it, you just take it off your bike, You're not stuck with some ugly plastic thing fixed to your handlebars, which isn't a good look on a modern classic. If you've got a Navigator, let me know what it's like in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, why not watch this one where I detail my bike. Take care, ride safe.